Subscribe TechTouch channel and press the bell icon for more latest video. Friends, welcome to TechTouch channel. Today I will show you in this video how to enable and disable allow sites to play sound in Chrome on Windows PC. Please subscribe my channel for more latest video. First of all, open your Google Chrome. After open Google Chrome, click on three dots, click on settings. Under setting you have to go privacy and security, then click on site settings, scroll down, click on additional content settings. You can see here allow sites to play sounds. Click this option. If you are disable allow sites to play sound, you should enable this option. In this way, you enable and disable allow sites to play sound on Google Chrome in Windows 10 PC. Thanks for watching friends. Hope like this video. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel.